My name's Hannah McLean. My title is Senior Director of Service Operations, and the organization I work for is called Bench Accounting. I reached out to Pollack on recommendation through one of our people team leaders. We going through a challenging time with customers, just being frustrated with some of the services we were providing. We got really behind in tax season, and customers were asking us when they could expect their tax packages, and we didn't necessarily have timelines in which we could provide them with exact dates. And I think that was really frustrating for a lot of our customers, and our team was just really struggling on how to manage those conversations and how to de-escalate the customers. And with such large volumes of customers coming in and asking for support, our team was really overwhelmed. And so we reached out to get some help with de-escalation training to make sure that the team felt more confident in tackling these conversations, how to really support the customer, and also just manage their own emotions and feelings about the experience that they were having as well. The training was fabulous. Despite having lots of folks on the call, it was really collaborative and interactive. And I think one of the biggest pieces of feedback from the team was just how wonderful it was to really hear from one another and hear other people's perspectives, what they were going through. There was lots of opportunity for folks to share their experience, to share ideas, to ask questions, and we really got into the meat of what was going on because of the space provided to do so. I think the most impactful thing for the team in terms of what they walked away with and the feedback that I heard was really understanding that it starts with de-escalation of self. So understanding where you're at before you can help anyone else, you have to feel safe and secure and calm to be able to bring that energy into the conversation with the person you're talking to. And I think that was a really important piece, as well as just some simple frameworks to come back to support with kind of navigating those conversations and knowing that it's not just going to always work on the first try, and that you might need to come back and start at the beginning to really have someone feel heard and go back to the listening piece before you can get to resolution. So I think those frameworks and techniques were really helpful for the team. The training exceeded our expectations. I would recommend PPS for other companies if they're looking for de-escalation training. The frameworks are fabulous, easy to understand. The facilitators were incredible at just understanding, really taking the time to learn where we were at as a business, our challenges were, and learning the scenarios that would help us best, and then really tailoring the training to make sure that we were well supported.